I have a bird. And I have a king snake. Snake doesn't want the bird. What about the next snake? Does this snake want the bird? Let's find out. He wants the bird, I think. Doesn't want the bird. What about this snake? Doesn't want the bird. What about the other snake? And I'm pretty sure this snake wants the bird. This snake wants the bird. Snake is now biting the bird. Snake continues to bite bird. Snake is now going to eat the bird. Snake is now eating the bird. Snake is eating the bird wrong, but eventually will eat it. Snake is still struggling to eat the bird from the side. Snake is almost done eating the bird. Snake is almost done eating the bird. Snake is about to be done eating the bird. Snake is now done eating the bird. Bird is now in snake's stomach. And the snake is now ready to go back in his tank.